Good morning to all. We are in chapter 13 application of percentage. Question number first. Find out the principal that becomes rupees 5832 in 2 years at the rate of 8% compound interest. So solution, here we will find the principal. So let principal be rupees P we have to take. Now principal become 5832. It means this is your amount. 5832 is your amount and rate is equal to 8% and time is equal to 2 years. So put here formula of amount. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. So amount place 5832, principal place P we have to write 1 plus R place 8% upon 100 power T means 2. 4 2 ja 8, 4 25 ja 100. So P 1 plus 2 upon 25 power 2. And here we have to write 5832. Now again 5832 equal to principal. Here we have to find the LCM. Here no number means 1, 1 and 25. 25 is the LCM. Now we have to do cross multiply. 2 multiply by 1, 2. 1 multiply by 25, 25. Then 5832 equal to principal into 25 plus 2, 27 upon 25 power 2. Now 5832 equal to principal 27 into 27 upon 25, here also upon 25. So change, interchange principal into 27 upon 25 into 27 upon 25 equal to 5832. So principal is equal to 5832 multiply by this 27 upon 25 will convert here to 25 upon 27 and here also 25 upon 27. This one is here we have to convert. What we have done? We have done here cross multiply. This denominator will come in numerator and numerator will come in denominator. This denominator will come in numerator and this numerator will come in denominator. Now we have to cancel with the table of 9. 9 3 are 27, 9 6 are 54, 4 and 3 43. So 9 4 are 39, 7 will come, 7 and 2 72 to 9 8 are 72. Now again 9 table, 9 3 are 27. Now 9 7 ja 63 and 1 will come, 1 and 8 18 to 9 2 ja 18. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 1 will come, 1 and 12 1 and 2 12. So 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja. So principal is equal to 8 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25. So the answer is rupees 5000. So answer we have to write the principal is rupees 5000. Now the next question is at what percent of annual interest? What percent means we have to find here rate. Let the rate be R percent for rupees 4000, that is your principal, becomes rupees 5900, that is your amount, in 2 years. 2 years means time. If the interest be calculated in annually. So again we have to put the value of formula of amount. Principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. Amount place we have to put 5290 equal to principal place we have to write 4000. 1 plus r upon 100 power 2, because here rate is not given, so we have to put rate equal to r. Now 5290 upon 400. Here this is multiplied, so here we have to write in upon. And here 1 plus r upon 100 power 2. Now 0 cancel. Now 529, it means 23 multiplied by 23, and 400 means 20 multiplied by 20, equal to 1 plus r upon 100 power 2. So 23 upon 20 whole power 2, because 2 times we have written multiplication, and 1 plus r upon 100 power 2. Here exponent means power are equal, therefore base is also equal. Exponent we have to cancel, and what is the base? 23 upon 20 equal to 1 plus r upon 100. Because in exponent both are having the power 2, therefore both powers will cancel, and base we have to write 23 upon 20 equal to 1 plus r upon 100. Now interchange 1 plus r upon 100 equal to 23 upon 20. So r upon 100 is equal to 23 upon 20. This plus will come here and minus. So r upon 100 is equal to, nothing means 1, to 20 and 1, 20. Now 23 multiplied by 1, 23, minus 1 multiplied by 20, 20. Then we have to write r upon 100 equal to 23 minus 20, 3 upon 20. So r is equal to, now cross multiply, 100 will go and multiply by 3, 3 multiply by 100 upon 20, 21 is 20, 25 is 100. So 3 multiply by 5, r is equal to 15%. Means answer we have to write, the rate is 15% is the answer. Now exercise 13.4, question number first. Sarjus bought a bicycle that cost rupees 1750. So we have to write here cost of bicycle is equal to rupees 1750. If the rate of sale tax on the cycle is 4%, so rate of sale tax is equal to 4% of total price. So what is the price? 4 upon 100, of means multiply, rupees 1750. To 0 cancel. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 17 minus 15, 2, 2 and 5 25, to 5 5 ja 25. 2 multiplied by 35. What is the answer? 70. So rate of sale tax is how many rupees? 70 rupees. How much amount have Sarjus paid for the cycle? Sarjus paid for cycle is equal to rupees 1750 plus 70. This is the sale tax we have to add. So 0 0 0, 5 plus 7, 12, to 2 we have to write, and 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, and here 1 1. So what is the answer? Rupees 1820 is the answer. Now question number 4. A farmer pay rupees 4 per acre has land revenue to the government. If Ramdin has 85 acre of agricultural land, how much land revenue would he pay to the government? So solution, a farmer pays land revenue rupees 4 per acre. So Ramdin has agriculture land is equal to 85 acre. So he pay land revenue is equal to rupees 4 multiplied by 85. 4 5 is 20, 2 carry, 4 8 is 32 plus 2 34. So rupees 334 he pay as land revenue to the government. Right answer, he pay rupees 340 as land revenue to government. Now question number 6. Dinesh brings trucks of grain from other state for rupees 37,500. If 2.5% entry tax is payable on grains, how much entry tax would Dinesh pay? So solution: Dinesh brings trucks of grain is equal to rupees 37,500. Now entry tax for grain is equal to 2.5% of total price. So 2.5 upon 100 multiplied by total price is rupees 37,500. 0 cancel. Now 2.5 multiplied by rupees 375. Now this decimal we have to remove and we have to write here 1. After decimal there is only one number to put here, 10. 25 upon 10 multiplied by rupees 375. So when we will multiply 25 by rupees 375, the answer will come rupees 9,375 upon 10. Means before one number we have to put here point. Before 5 you have to put here point. That is your answer, 937.50. This much is the entry tax for grain. Now homework, all left questions of exercise 4. That is your homework.